This is Steve Pastillo from P2 Automation. In the last video, I mentioned templates as an option when you're sending out a quick campaign. Here's how they work. I'll select quick campaign just like I did before for all these records. Click next, give it a name. It's an email owned by me that we want to send later, just like before. When I click next, I'm going to select this checkbox to use a template, then search for the template. There are several that come built in, and I'll show you how to create your own in the next video, but let's just select this first one, the Contact Reconnect. You may think you can edit this template right now, but you can't, and that's a little confusing. And the reason is there are fields in the template, so the template can be customized for each person. So just click next and create. I'll go down here to quick campaigns, to that follow-up using email. There's 7 members. You could see that email hasn't been created yet, but if I hit refresh, there they are. Here's all the emails. So if I select the first one, you can see that it's customized. Dear first name, last name, we haven't heard from you, etc. That's one of the benefits of a template. Not only is the verbiage set up for you, but you can customize it to the recipient. Other than that, the steps are the same as the last video. In our next video, I'll show you how to create your own templates with variables with a few easy steps. If you'd like more help from us increasing your team's productivity, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.